Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the essential kitchen tool you never knew you needed, the dish drying rack. Specifically, we're looking at 05 the dish drying rack model, a top-rated choice that's designed to make your kitchen more organized, efficient, and stylish. We'll explore its features, durability, and functionality, and see how it stacks up in a real-world kitchen setting. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials or streamline your dish drying process, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Kitsura dish drying rack is the ultimate space saver for any kitchen. With a compact 12 by 15 inch size, it fits perfectly on your countertop while holding all your dishes, glasses, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust resistant and built to last. The included cutlery holder keeps utensils organized and within easy reach. A stylish, black finish makes it a sleek addition to any kitchen decor. The Ahuon roll-up dish drying rack is a game changer for any kitchen, RV, or travel trailer. Made with durable square tubes, this 17.8 inch by 13.0 rack fits perfectly over the sink, providing a sturdy, space-saving solution for drying dishes. Its roll-up design makes storage a breeze, while the black, sleek look complements any kitchen decor. Ideal for both home and travel, it's a versatile must-have that keeps countertops dry and organized. Dish drying rack, stainless steel dish rack for kitchen counter. This large capacity stainless steel dish drying rack is perfect for keeping your kitchen counter organized and dry. With a dedicated cutlery holder, it neatly stores dishes, spoons, and forks, saving you valuable space. Its black, rust-resistant finish adds a sleek look, and the durable frame ensures long-term use. Ideal for families needing a heavy-duty, stylish solution for kitchen organization. Small dish drying rack, expandable compact design. This space-saving slim dish rack is perfect for small kitchens. Its expandable design offers flexibility for any countertop, while the narrow frame maximizes space without compromising on capacity. The built-in cutlery holder keeps utensils organized, and the integrated drain system prevents water buildup. Ideal for keeping your sink area neat and tidy. The Beeland 2-tier dish drying rack is your ideal kitchen solution for maximizing counter space and keeping things organized. Built with durable stainless steel, it offers generous space for dishes, bowls, and utensils on 2 sturdy tiers. The built-in drain board ensures water flows right into the sink, keeping counters dry and tidy. With additional utensil holders and hooks, this rack helps streamline kitchen storage. Stylish, practical, and perfect for any kitchen setup.